Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Garden. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate your support. In today's video, we are doing a two-part video. We will be uppotting some of our Ace 55 tomatoes here, and we're also going to start several different types of flowers for my wife's new raised flower bed. So we already have a 4-cell container filled with soil, and all we're going to do is to use our label and pop out our tomato seedlings here. And we're going to separate them, since this has 2, and just pop them into their cells. Now here I have 2 that are also growing. So we're going to take the strongest one, or strongest looking one, and plant it. And all I'm going to do is take my index finger, go down, and plant this as deep as I can possibly get it without hurting the roots. This is the 3rd one. And again, these are Ace 55. Exclusive to the South and Florida. I have some of these already up potted, and we did that in a previous video. Now we have these potted, and we need to water them, and then we're going to get them underneath the grow light. So these are my other tomatoes that we up potted in a previous video rather. And as you can see, we have some Ace 55, but we have some other ones also. These are the most recent ones that we just did. And all I'm going to do is get my watering can and give them a drink. And then I'm going to put them back under the grow light. We have added more potting mix into our planting tray here. This has a reservoir that the tray actually sits in, where we put water in so that it soaks up into the planting mix. Now we have several different types of seeds that we're going to attempt to start. Lavender, hyssop, crackerjack marigold, a dwarf petunia mix, a zinnia cut and come again variety, a yellow Inca marigold, and a sparky French marigold. So we're going to go ahead and do our marigolds first. And starting out with the sparky French. Now, I have never really been very good at starting flowers from seed. So hopefully this time around it will be different. So all I'm doing is dropping the seeds into each cell. And after we finish, we're going to come back and gently sprinkle more potting soil on top, and then give them a misting so that they're moist and not dry. Next one will be the crackerjack marigold. Now, these are not as big as the French marigolds that we just planted, I'm putting about anywhere from 3 to 5 seeds in, and hopefully they will grow. These are some of my favorite and my wife's favorite flowers to have, and I like them because they're pollinators and they'll help my veggies. This is the yellow Inca marigold that we're planting next. There wasn't very many in this particular bag, so I went ahead and used all of them. And I'm pressing them to make sure that they are laying flat. And there's the label. Next will be the cut and come again zinnia. Next will be the lavender.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle in wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh.
We're going to do 2 rows of the petunia mix. And these are very small, so I'm just going to drizzle them along. And put this label in. Last but not least, the hyssop or hyssop. It is a perennial herb with dark green leaves and attractive blue flowers. It has a strong aroma, kind of like mint. And being that these are small too, we're going to do them just like we did the petunias. And put our label in. So next, we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some more of the potting mix on top, and then we're going to use my spray bottle to moisten the top. So we have our seeds planted, and they're now back on the wet pot seed growing area. We have our probe in, and hopefully we will be able to plant, and to have flowers grow and come up. As I said before, I have never been very successful growing flowers, so this is something new for me. So hopefully we will be successful at it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did a two-part video. In the first part, we uppotted some Ace 55 tomatoes. We had previously uppotted some of those along with, I want to say 6 other types in the previous video. And we also planted some flowers to go in the new raised flower bed. Keeping my fingers crossed, hopefully I will be successful and have a good germination rate and be able to plant some out. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and hopefully flowers by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. If you're interested in any of the seeds or products that I use, head over to my Amazon storefront and you'll see them there. You can also hit on any of the affiliates that are listed in the description portion of the video. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.